Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. Please tell me if the sound is okay, because the last time I got live the sound was not okay. Let's see if it is okay now. I think it is. Alright, so if you clicked on this because of my clickbaiting thumbnail I put on every live stream video, I will not disappoint you, because I actually learned machine learning for making a magic button in visual effects starting from 2020. And let's see if I can show you what I was doing here. I was learning math and calculus like for a long time to understand, you know, all these derivatives, integrals and stuff, to understand how the back propagation works to create, you know, simple neural networks to process images. Livestream is more about, you know, chatting and chilling, and that's why I just choose like a random theme to talk with you, so I can talk about something if you are not in the chat. But I'm always watching the chat, so you can say me about Nuke and After Effects stuff there, about compositing and visual effects. I'm responsive. Maybe you want me to review your showreel like last time on the live stream. Give me your link to the showreel and we will do that next time. We're gonna take a look on what technology achieved in automation of video editing. So I have Apple Store and just here, if you recall this neural network. So that's what I was doing in 2020. I was learning how to, you know, do images translation to, you know, get into video translation. And I can say that this is pretty, let's make my face small here, crazy task to do. You need a lot of calculus and a lot of, you know, linear algebra learning to get into this, and of course Python, a lot of Python. So there are some apples turned into oranges. I wanted to create, you know, translation of weather to make rainy weather out of no rainy weather, and I can say that this is pretty hard. You see, there's some really bad results here with no rain happening on the output, because you need to work on the data set very much, and this is hard. So anyways, I'm gonna do some Python visual effects tutorials on my channel for new compositors. So subscribe if this interests you, and write comments if it interests you. So let's see what we can do knowing just After Effects and Premiere, featuring the actual video editing in Premiere. So I've done some research and I found two tools that are already available to everyone. The first one is like an object recognition and reformatting, auto reformatting of the footage for Instagram format, for Square format, you name it, which format you'd like, it will reformat it. Hi. The stream has a little bit of delay, so that's why I'm not responsive like very quickly. So let's see the auto reformatting. Very simple. You just choose the sequence. So you see I have a sequence here of a girl. That's the dailies from, you see there's some bad compositing done there for a teaser. So I can select it, right click on it and select auto frame sequence, it is called here. And I can set it to vertical 9:16 format, which is the Instagram format. Create, it will analyze the footage for me and set keyframes for its translation to really, you know, match it for you for Instagram. So this is really cool how Premiere developers think about what the guys actually need. And this is an easy clip. I have some hard clips here to test it. So I have some clip for my old life when I was a seaman, and here we are walking on the deck of a bulk carrier while the storm, and I filmed it on my GoPro. So let's reframe it for Instagram, and it will do that with the same velocity, and it will do it perfectly. It will just set more keyframes and it will work. So that's magic. So this is one of the tools that is available for you already in Premiere 2020. That's one of the ways you automatically edit the footage knowing only Adobe package. So I've started talking about Magic Button a little, but this is a really big theme to cover, so I think I will do separate videos about that, about Python and Nuke. I really wanted to do Python Nuke videos, but I'm really thinking about if I am qualified enough to do them. I want to, raise my Python base experience, because I'm like a programmer, but I do like my own stuff, and I should really greatly understand the basic stuff of Python to start doing them, to be a great teacher at this. Can really do some tools. All right, it doesn't work. My footage is too crazy for this. Well, it worked last time I used it on it. Let's try another one. So a static clip of me walking on the deck. Let's try this one more time. Select storm, auto reframe, 9:16, create. All right, I think I didn't select the reformat there. This is the reason why I just quickly hit the create. That's why. So now it's working. You see how it automatically puts the keyframes here. Very many keyframes now, and they all are translating the footage so that I will be in frame. Same way for this one. Let's create a new sequence here. I just didn't select the format here. I think this was my bad. You see how fast it was. Amazing. All these keyframes for you. I can post it to Instagram. Make some, girls cry about me. All right, let's try another kind of automatic editing, which is based on the footage sound. You see a lot of tools based on the footage sound these days. They work nice on the videos like Talking Head, like this one, or on videos like Interview, or on videos like courses for FX PhD. So I have my FX PhD course here in After Effects now. I can play it back.
In the reference you can see that.
Alright, let's cache it.
In the reference you can see that I did kinda 2 levels of them there and put this very hard thing to model there.
Alright, so you see that when I do my courses or videos for YouTube, I like hang in there because I don't remember English words, or I just forget what I want to say. I think you all do the same if you do such videos. You see there's some really big gaps here, and this is because of that, or because I'm doing something that you don't need to see because I've already explained it. So how do I combat it is I select the footage in my composition. I just create a new composition out of it like that. Select my footage, go to File, Scripts, Void Silence Remover. I open it and let's see its website now. Void silence. I guess it was somewhere here. Yeah. So it is linked in the description. It is donation based, so you can download it for free and donate with BTC, just like to me. Under my videos there's some BTC wallet, I mean, if you want to support me. So you select the footage and it creates the padding between the regions where you talk and delete all the gaps. You can keep the gaps, but usually you don't want to keep them. Hit start and the padding of 5, the default padding, works really great. It creates such fast talking courses like you hear on YouTube. So you see, it just deleted all the silence here, and I can copy it from here. So let's just create a new composition in Premiere for this. I will just import it here. I want to show you what I mean here. So if I wasn't using this tool, I'd had to do all this for myself, deleting all these gaps with triple delete, you know. But with this tool, I can just go to After Effects, hit Ctrl A, Ctrl C, go to Premiere and paste it here. And now I have this edited footage for me.
In the reference, you can see that I did kind of 2 levels of them there and put this very hard thing to model there with another barrel. So we can duplicate them a couple more times.
So you got the point. It's FX PhD course, the latest FX PhD course I've done. This is the I don't know how it is pronounced. Gorilla new composting WordCamp project. That's what John Montgomery wanted to call it. So it's a very long course, and this is the way I've managed to edit it when I had no money and no time. That's one secret for you. All right, I'm watching the chat. I'm always responsive in it. If you want to talk with me, I'm here. This is Pixel Talking. This is mostly everything I wanted to say. And as I said about the actual clickbaiting theme, you will receive more videos from me about Python and AI, machine learning. I think I will start doing Nuke Python tutorials. All right, so with this stream, I've managed to talk with a couple of people. This is a new record. At least I hope that the sound was great. Let's make my face big again. So I know that someone of you really don't like the Andrew Kramer's After Effects tutorials I was putting out lately. Well, I had to do this. I'm sorry. I wanted some basic videos of a software on my channel, because sometimes I watch, I also watch, Python courses, and I like some specific authors. And I'd really like to watch, some basic stuff from these authors, from these exact mentors, because I love, the way they teach. It is really understandable for me. All right, thank you so much. I think that's it. I'm in touch. Thank you so much, and goodbye to you all. The next videos will be the nukes, geo-tracking and cleanup next week, and After Effects overblown green screen keying. Very interesting. Goodbye.